Hi there guys, it's Craig again here from Hotwheels Boys. It is about 11, it's around 11 p.m. here in Auckland, New Zealand. Just about to show you guys a video of this month's haul of our Hot Wheels that we've got to add to our collection. We've got some great news. We've reached 500 subscribers and wouldn't be able to do it without you guys. You know, your feedback on the comment section. We really appreciate it, and we really love your comments, and we love watching your guys' videos. So yeah, please spread the word and let your friends know about Hot Wheels Boys. And yeah, if they come and check out our channel, and hopefully they'd like it and subscribe. Yeah, we've got some more news coming up. Is we are going to be building a fat track. I've managed to get the models for the curved section of the fat track. So I'm gonna be, in fact, I've already got that 3D printed. A friend of mine, Andreas, he's done me a big favor, and he's printed that out. And I've seen images of it. I just need to go and collect it, and yeah, it looks great. So yep, there will be a proper fat track coming to Hot Wheels Boys very soon. Hopefully before the end of this year we'll have our first race, as well as I've got a speed test coming up, has been ordered, and should get that around just before Christmas as well. So most likely next year. So we'll be testing all our cars to see what was the best for 2019 and going forward. So yeah, there'll be lots of videos coming up with speed tests. So if you've got any cars that you guys would like us to try and get and test, yep, we're happy to try and please you guys. Also, we've got a shout out to the Hot Wheels man. I'm going to put a link down below on this page, and yeah, he's got currently 22 subscribers. He shows a lot of his dad's collection, and yeah, there's a lot of buses and yeah, some old school cars, which you don't see a lot on YouTube. So I think if you guys want to see something new, go and check out his channel. Yeah, and give him your support. I'd really appreciate it. So thanks, and let's get into seeing Hot Wheels Boys haul for the month. So here we go, guys. The first car displaying is the custom 67 Pontiac Firebird with the flames. It's in blue, and it doesn't have a bonnet on it. You can still see the engine is in full display. Really like the flames on that. Looks awesome. Next up is the 32 Ford Gold, also with no bonnet, displaying the engine in all its glory. Yep, in gold, and yeah, got an awesome paint job on that in gold. Looks really great, and like the wheels on it as well. Then we're looking at the custom Ford Bronco. We got yeah, 3 other ones from the range. The Dune Cruiser as well. Looks great, white, and yep, the Ford Bronco. So yeah, we tend to do some dirt racing with these. Another one from that range is the Jeep Scrambler, which is in green, number 40, 040. Yeah, really like it. The wheels are a little bit different, as you can see. So yeah, it's got a plastic base. So we'll see how it goes. We'll test it on the 6-laner, and then yeah, maybe do a bit of make a course for them to go on. We also got the Land Rover Defender double cab, which will also be used racing as well. Looks awesome. Number 822 in yeah, I don't know, like a greenish color. Very similar wheels to the others. Also a plastic base. Yeah, looks nice. I really like that. There's to be quite a few of these back home from where I come from, which is Zimbabwe. Next up, we have a Ford Focus R5 number 4. Looks quick. Awesome wheels. Got white rims in the back and goldish yellow ones in the front. Also has a plastic base on it. And yeah, looks nice. Really like it. Like the look of that Ford. We got a short card. Maybe some of you have seen these short cards. Alter Ego, bit of a fantasy car. Yeah, like the look of it. It's really long. So yeah, we'll do a bit of a showcase on this one, a casting review. So yeah, you'll see a video coming up soon on this one. From the 2020 case, we've got the Porsche 917 LH number 3. We have one other one that's in the light blue color. So yeah, good to compare the two against each other on the track. Let's see, this one's got looks like a steel base. Then managed to get these for $3, 2 bone shakers. Yeah, brilliant. Really like the gold one. In fact, I like all the bone shakers. I think this is my my 4th or 5th one. I want to collect more of them. They're awesome castings. We'll do a bit of a review on this gold casting so everyone can have a much closer look at the details on it. Got another Fairlady 2000 to add to the collection. I really like the Fairladies. They're awesome looking Hot Wheel cars. Even the 1:1 is fantastic. Wouldn't mind owning one of these one day. Yeah, Fairlady 2000. We also got a Fiat 500 in blue with the number 03 on it. 03 is on the bonnet. I don't know if you can see it. I think I'll do a bit of a casting review on this. I haven't seen many of these on YouTube. I also got the 85 Honda City Turbo 2. Yeah, I saw this on YouTube and I thought, yep, it's pretty cool. So managed to find it, and I do know it is really fast on the track. So it'll be good to see. We've got a King of the Hill coming up for the end of the year, which will be quite a long video as we've got a number of cars that haven't raced yet. Next up is I managed to get these actually from a collector here in Auckland. I wasn't able to find these in store. So this is the Fast and Furious Fast Rewind series. This is number 105. This is the Mazda RX-3. I was very, very excited to have these in my collection, as it's one of the first videos I ever made on YouTube. I think it was actually not the first, it was the third one, where I went online and found images of these castings and made a short video of them. So now I've got the real deal, which is very, very pleased with it. Yeah, the colors is, it's just amazing. I'm going to do a close-up review on all of the sets, so go through them quickly. The RX-3, the Mazda RX-3. We got the number 2 is the Nissan Skyline C21 with the number 7 on it. It's in yellow. Awesome. Just the graphics on the card, man, it's just something else. You haven't seen this amount of detail. Number 3 we've got is the another Nissan Skyline HT 2000 GTX You know, just looking at the graphics on the that's been done, just yeah, it's just mind-blowing. You know, I really like them. Number 4 is a another Nissan Fairlady Z, which is also an awesome car. The paint job, I'll have to do a much detailed look at this casting. The paint job is just amazing. And last but not least is the number 545 is the Nissan Silvia. Yep, same again. You know, they've got real riders on them. Don't know how they'll go on the track, but we'll get to see. I think we'll do a race on them. Interesting note, if you see at the top of the card, number 545, but if I turn the card round, it's an error on all of the cards apparently. It's written 1:5, because if you look at the Mazda, which is the 1:5, you turn the card round, it's also 1:5. 1:5 for the Mazda and 1:5 for the Nissan Silvia. Yes, so yep, that's the whole. And I've also got some interesting ones here that Dion, as you all know, my son, he's really into it. He selected a few and he wanted to open them. So this is a wild thing. So it's got the flames on it. It looks awesome. Actually, the bonnet opens as well. I don't know if you can see that. Yep, and then 2 Jet C, which you just seen racing recently. It's an awesome little car from the Hot Wheels legends. Yep, I'll do a much close-up detailed video on looking at the casting, as well as we also got the McLaren F1 GTR, which is awesome looking, got real rider wheels on it. Yep, I'll do a detailed video on this one as well. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and hope you're enjoying our channel and our videos that we put out. If you want to see anything else, please just comment below on our videos, and thanks again for watching. Cheers, and keep on Hot Wheeling.